Welcome to our guide on signing up with Rakuten Marketing. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your account, selecting the best affiliate programs for your niche, and generating affiliate links to start promoting products. Plus, I'll show you how to refer a friend and earn extra rewards. Be sure to use the link in the description below to sign up with my affiliate link and get started with Rakuten Marketing today. Step 1. Create an account. First, head over to Rakuten Marketing and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to fill in your personal and business details including your name, email address, business name, and website. Make sure to provide accurate information as this will be used to set up your account. After filling out the form, click Create Account, and you'll be ready to start exploring affiliate opportunities. Step 2. Choose your affiliate program. Once your account is created, log in and explore the Rakuten Marketing Marketplace. You'll find a wide range of affiliate programs categorized by niche and industry. Take some time to browse the available programs and select the ones that match your audience and niche. Once you've found the right programs, click the Join Program button to apply. Some programs may have specific requirements, so be sure to read through the details before applying. Once approved, you'll be able to start promoting. Step 3. Add payment information. Next, let's set up your payment information. Go to the Account Settings section in the dashboard and enter your preferred payment method. You can choose from options like direct deposit or PayPal. Make sure your payment details are correct as Rakuten will use this information to send your commissions. Step 4. Generate affiliate links. Once you've been approved for your selected affiliate programs, it's time to generate your affiliate links. Go to the Links or Creatives section of the dashboard. Here, you can generate unique affiliate links to share. You can customize these links with text or use banner ads to promote products. Simply copy your link, and you're ready to start sharing it. Step 5. Start promoting. Now it's time to promote your affiliate links. You can share them on your website, blog, or social media accounts. Rakuten Marketing also offers banners and native ads, so you can choose the best way to display products for your audience. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Keep track of your performance in the Rakuten dashboard. Step 6. Referring a friend. Here's a bonus. Rakuten Marketing also allows you to refer friends to join the platform. To get your referral link, simply go to the Referral Program section of the dashboard. Copy your referral link and share it with friends or fellow marketers. When someone you refer joins and makes their first sale, you can earn extra rewards or bonuses. That's it. You're now set up with Rakuten Marketing and ready to start promoting affiliate products. Don't forget to use the link in the description below to sign up with my affiliate link and begin your affiliate journey today. And remember, you can always refer friends to join and earn extra rewards as you grow your affiliate business. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on affiliate marketing.